ND filter 4-pack for your GoPro 13. Should still be backward compatible with the 9, 10, and 11, and even the 12. But it won't auto program. You'll still have to do manual. But just like if you're going to use these ones, manual 9 through 12, that's what these will work for. All right. Now this here is also a magnifier lens. As you can see right there. I eventually will pick up the macro lens from the GoPro, but this is the one I have for now, and this is pretty useful. These have been great. Both of these have been great for my GoPro 9 and my GoPro 11. Well, my other GoPro 9. We'll be seeing this one shortly. All right, but here's what we've all been waiting for: the new filter 4-pack. All right, love that sound. What's really nice about these for the GoPro 13 is that it automatically updates, so you won't have to worry about trying to do it yourself. Toss that off to the side. HP lens series lenses. Sorry, got that dyslexic thing going on. Another lifetime warranty. Good shot there. Now that we got it out of the box, we're gonna open it the easy way, right? So every time you try to take it out of the box, the lid just comes off and it wouldn't slide out. But they give you, of course, the tiniest microfiber cloth to clean your lenses. Or toss this off to the side. Here you go, folks. Wait for it. Dun dun dun. Oh, and they even give you a little case now to hold your lens. How handy is that? So these are really nice. This works for your GoPro 13, and these will automatically set themselves up. I'll put it up there so you can see the numbers on it. I'm not going to take the screen protectors off until I use them. But yeah, how handy is that, right? And as you can see, there's a little blue dot that lets you know to line it up with a little blue dot on the GoPro 13 when you put it on. This way they'll sync up and do automatic setting. How cool is that? Technology has come a long way. Handy little case. There you go. Handy, fit in your pocket. Shouldn't pop open, but definitely very nice to have. Actually, I'll fold that up, put that in there. See if it still closes. Still seals up pretty nice. So again, real handy. These are meant for your GoPro 13, but they should still be backward compatible with your GoPro 9, 10, 11, and 12. But you'll have to do the old manual settings for this, all right? So enjoy your new toy. Enjoy your new 13. Enjoy your ND filters. They'll improve your footage in ways you didn't know